This video is intended to show users how to become a member of a group in Schoology, as well as how to navigate within the group page. Once you're logged into your Schoology account, please look in the top right corner of your screen. You will see three small icons. One is an envelope and notifies you when you have a message. The middle icon indicates requests that have been sent to you, and the icon on the right shows notifications of updates. You should see a number in red above each icon that indicates the number of messages, requests, and notifications you have. In this case, I would like you to look at the middle icon, the requests icon. Because you were invited to become a member of a group, you should see a red number above that icon. When you click on the icon, you will see who requested you, what the request is, an accept button, and an X. If you would like to accept the request, simply click the accept button. If you prefer to decline, you may click the X. Once you select accept, you'll become a member of the group. When you look at the orange banner at the top of your screen, locate the word groups. You click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the word. You should now see a list of groups that you belong to. To select a group page, simply scroll to highlight the group name and click on it. Once in the page, you will see updates in the middle of the panel. You can click on those to read individually or link to another section of the group page through those. You'll see along the left-hand side as we go through these that there is a link for discussions where you can participate in discussions with other members in that group. There are albums where you can place photos, videos, audio files. Those can be tagged with other users as well. There's a link for resources where you can view and share resources with other members in the group. You can post updates just like you do on a social media site. Once you post that update, other people in the group can also like your post and they can comment on your post. You're going to see in the top right corner a little calendar icon. That's going to be connected with our Google Calendars, and you'll be able to see any upcoming events for the group. That's kind of the quick tour. You'll see that this is a Steelcase Pilot Teachers group, and there are already some things that are placed in here. If we scroll down a little bit, you can see there's a welcome to the group. You can see a couple other posts about albums, giving you an option. You can use the albums option to post pictures showing room and grouping arrangements that work well as a guide for your colleagues. So you can take pictures as you teach, and you can post them in the albums for everyone to see. The next post tells you to look in the discussions option to participate in conversations about your successes, your challenges, and your ideas. We'll take a look at that just a minute, but I want to show you one more thing. You'll see a poll here, a question: on average, how many times per class period do you move your furniture into a different configuration? What's really interesting about the poll is that as you answer, we will actually see the numbers fill in. So if you click one, it'll kind of add to that one column or that row, and we'll kind of see those fill in as everybody in the group answers. Okay, when you look over here at discussions on the left, if I go ahead and click on that, I'm going to come into the discussions page, and you can see that there are already 3 discussions set up for you. So on the top one here, if you want to take a look at positive experiences, once you click on that, you'll see a narrative. Please list examples of your positive experiences in your classrooms. Have you developed any processes that work well? What are the positive benefits you've had using the new furniture? And then please feel free to respond to other people's posts with suggestions or positive comments. We like positive comments. So you can come in here and you'll notice that your picture will appear to the left-hand side of the comment so everyone will see who you are and see your name when it posts. You can write the comment. You can do some things like attach a file, attach a link, a resource, or you can actually record an audio or video recording for your post. Once you place a post in here, you'll see that people can then, there's an option to like that comment. They can comment back to you. So everything kind of builds off of these comments as you go. It becomes a threaded discussion. If you want to go back out, you can always click on the left to access that. You'll see that there are two other things. One for challenges, where you can come in and list challenges that you've had with your new furniture, maybe how you overcame that challenge, and again, offering suggestions to other people's posts. Maybe you have a challenge that you just can't figure out how to solve, and somebody else might have an idea that would help you. And then there's a third one for active learning lessons. So if you've had any lesson or activity that you've used, that you had a good experience with, that might spark ideas for your colleagues, post that information here and you can kind of build off of each other's experiences by commenting back and forth. You'll notice that as the members are invited, this number will grow. And the other link over here is resources, where again you can add, I can actually put resources in here for you. Just take a look always next to it to see how many things are in there. You'll know whether there are any updates. All updates will feed in the middle here as well. So hopefully this is enough to get you in and get you kind of going. Play around. You can't really hurt anything. The best way to do it is just get in and kind of start trying different things, but I thought perhaps a little starting guide would be helpful for you. So if you have any questions, let me know, and look for your invitation soon.